So, punta muna tayo sa projects, then start new project. I-rename nyo lang siya ng grade generator. So, I do have many grade generators, so lagyan ko na lang siya ng 3 para patatlo. Okay? Then, wait nyo lang. Loading pa. So after that, you can see the functions of the screen 1. So here's the screen 1. On this screen, you can see that you should align it horizontal to center. The align vertical naman, okay lang kahit hindi na i-change. Then, if you want to put a background image, you can choose File, Upload File, then choose File. Media picker. You choose and wait lang loading. So, I do have this. Select. Okay. Hintayin nyo lang siya mag-upload. So, after that, since nag-upload na to, after that, you go to the label. Hanapin nyo muna yung label, which is ito. Then, put it here. Then, the font size should be, depends on you. So, I choose 25, then font bold. Kung gusto nyo namang palta ng kulay, dito na lang. So, center 1. Sa text naman, ang ilagay nyo lang ay grade generator. Then, align it text alignment center 1. Then, text color, it can be, I'll choose Cayenne na lang. So, yan. It depends on you naman kung anong gusto mo. Then, after that, punta naman tayo sa layout. So, layout, you can choose here first the vertical arrangement. Then, second, the vertical scroll arrangement. Then, vertical arrangement again. Yan. After that, since the last box, hindi pa naman siya kasya, lagyan muna natin yung boxes ng text box na magsisilbing lalagyan ng grade. Yan. Text box 2, then text box 3. So, we can put again the vertical arrangement since it's do have a space na. So, text box again, put mo lang. So, this is the function. Yan. After that, punta ka muna sa vertical arrangement. Then, yung background color, i-change mo sa white para makita siya. Hindi, white, para makita siya. Pero, you can choose other color naman if you want. So, white na lang yung pinili ko. Then, white. Then, white. Then, here naman, sa vertical arrangement, align, center, then, center nyo na lang ulit para mas maganda din yung kalabasan niya. Ito is center, then center, vertical ay center, then center. So, yan ang basic menus niya. So, punta naman tayo sa button. Button. You can put button here. Ito naman yung magsisilbi. Rename muna natin siya na text as generate final grade. Since naka-text alignment center na siya, okay na yon. Then, dito naman, pwede mo i-change color. So, ang pipiliin ko na lang is color blue. It depends on you naman. Then, so yan, as you can see. Then, after that, punta na tayo sa label. Lagyan mo lang siya ng label sa baba. Ito yung magsisilbing outcome nung final grade ng ating first to fourth quarter. So, aalisin mo lang yung text, then text alignment center. Yan. Pwede mo siyang change ng color if you want. Pero sa akin naman, since it's a tutorial, it depends on you. So, second, punta na tayo sa pagre-rename ng box. So, sa text box 1, ang i-rename lang natin dyan ay, wait, zoom ko. First, num. Then, also dun din sa mga text box, other text box, rename it to sec num. Okay. Then, the third box, rename it to third num. Okay. Then, sa last box, syempre, fourth num. Fourth num. Okay. Then, sa button 1, i-rename mo siya as, rename as. Ito yung result. Yan. Tapos, yung label 2 naman, ito naman yung magsisilbing outcome. Yan. As you can see, okay naman na siya. Then, kung gusto niyo naman lagyan ng space, you can put label here. The label here. Yan. So, ito po. Magdagdag lang kayo ng icons. Yan. If you want space lang naman, then remove the text name. So, here lang. If you want lang naman, kasi yun lang din naman yung ginawa ko sa akin. So, sa label 3, remove na din natin. Then, label 2, remove din. So, ayan na. So, here's the final outcome. Then, after this, taas muna natin. Punta na tayo sa ating blocks, which is, ang blocks natin ay here. You can tap that. Then, wait. Punta muna ulit tayong designer. So, here. You can go to blocks. After you go to blocks, punta muna tayo sa paggawa natin ng mga blocking. So, first, punta kayo sa result. Result. Best result. Then, pindot the when, this. Pindot this. When result, click do. Yan. After that, the outcome. Hanapin niyo yung set outcome text 2. So, here. Then, put it here. After that, to our math. Punta kayo sa math. Here. Then, find the arithmetic mean average. So, here it is. Here. After that, punta naman tayo sa list. Then, make a list. Yan. I-outzoom ko lang. Yan. Since sa make list naman, gawin natin, pindutin nyo lang tong settings bar. Then, drag the item, make it 4. Yan. So, since it's 4, drag out again. Then, punta tayo sa first number. Hanapin nyo lang yung first num text. First num text. So, here. Then, the second num text, ganun lang din yung gagawin nyo. Sec num text here. Then, also to third num and drag out here. Then, fourth num text, drag out here. So, as you can see, okay naman na siya. Then, wait lang. So, ito na yon. After that, punta lang tayo sa connect, then AI companion. Then, ang gagawin dito is, you can use MIT App Inventor 2 to scan this QR code. Wait, send ko na lang siya. Then, wait lang natin. So, ito na yon. Then, punta ka lang, you can write the grade you want. So, 89, 90, 87, 88. So, if we generate the final grade, ito na yun, 88.5.